strawberry. Now here's our beautiful strawberry. When checking for ripeness, make sure they're a vibrant red with minimal shades of white. Any light blemishes or bruises might indicate that the strawberry is slightly overripe. However, this is totally okay to eat. As for the stem, I like to take a paring knife and core the strawberry like so, turning the ingredient and not my knife. You can slice in half and use as a garnish, or we can cut into slices, which is great to toss in sugar or for garnishing a tart, cake, or panna cotta. We can also cut into wedges, which is great for plating fine dining desserts. And that is our strawberry.